Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make text in Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. Once you open it up, you'll be greeted by the main page of Google Forms. Very in the upper right corner, we can get started logging in. So to make forms and add text, we're going to need to log into our Google account. If you do not already have an account, you can sign up for a new one. And once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. This is going to be the main page where at the top of the screen we can get started creating a new form. Here we can take a look at all the forms that we have created, that we can manage, and so on. And now we can get started. So guys, how do we add text to our forms? It's very easy. You can either go ahead and create a form if you do not already have one. If you already have your form, we can go ahead and access it from here. So I'm going to open up my form right here by clicking on the form, and once I have opened it up, it's going to look like this. Here I have a tutorial form. As you can see, tutorial form for a video where I can get started. Basically guys, it's very easy. All we need to do to add text is right here at the right side of the screen. As you can see, the right side of the screen, we have this option right here that says add title and description. This is going to enable you to add any kind of text that you wish. You also have this plus button that is going to go ahead and enable you to add a question, so you can add any kind of text that you wish right here from the edit menu. You can get started with adding questions, answers, and so on, depending whichever you prefer, using the edit options menu right here. But basically that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.